Very good morning to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video in this beautiful sunshine of today. And today I'm going to discuss about the northeastern region and other border areas and their issues. This year 2026 marked the silver jubilee of development of northeastern region, which was formed under former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And this was formed to deal with the apathy and ignorance which was shown by the people and as well as the government towards the development of northeastern region. But nowadays, this ministry itself become a victim of ignorance and apathy. Though the Prime Minister Narendra Modi government have increased the allocation of budget to more than 152% from year 2014 to 2026, but still the development of this northeastern region is linked with the identification of this identity of the people. Because what we lack is the understanding of the culture, languages, their way of living in Indian society. When northeastern people knows each and everything about other Indian states, like way of cultures, talking, languages, and everything about other Indian states, by other Indian states do not know about this northeastern region, because these people always face racism in India's states like Uttarakhand, places like in Delhi, because they come to these people for study purpose, medical purpose, and lot of other purposes as well. But we always call them with so many words like chinky, Chinese momos. This is very disheartening for the national integration, because this affects the life of these people, those who are coming from this northeastern region as an Indian to our states. But our states at the northeastern at the northern states are not even recognizing them properly. So what we need is the forming of such policies. And let me tell you what are the solutions to this problem. The solutions are very simple. We need to provide some educational chapters from class 5th to 10th at least. There should be one chapter about the northeastern region, their culture, languages, their borders, and as well as their issues, so that students in the school areas should learn about their own states, which are border states. Another solution is that the competitive exams should also be having the questions based on northeastern region, like UPSC examinations as well. The next is the IPS, IAS officers or the senior officers of every department should be having at least one tenure posting at these border areas like northeastern region. Only then they will understand the ground reality of these places. And the major step should be there that we need also to recognize the freedom fighters from this region, because hardly we do not know any freedom fighters from northeastern region. And this is very serious, because they have also produced a lot of great personalities from their soil, but we do not know them. There are a lot of tribes, there are a lot of languages, there are a lot of cultures available in the northeastern region, and hence there are lot of scope for enhancing the tourism of these places. But hardly there any tourism from other Indian states to these places. So that is very important to recognize these people, and only then we can become a developed country, because these border states, in spite of having lot of capabilities to produce or to contribute in India's GDP, they produce a very less percentage as compared to other states. This is lack of development, this is lack of recognizing identity of these people. Thank you.